Omwasada sebunge ya seneta urachikoligereria ayogosira oboremi bw'Ekemeri gy'ekahawa ase omuswada oyo niga AMAONCHORERIO ao arachigokorekana erikwenekia omoremi bw'Ekemeri gy'ekahawa konyora are eng'eria n'obokoreri oboronge naboigo ase enchera y'obwekirano.
I beg to move that the Senate adopts the report on the Mediation Committee on the Coffee Bill, Senate Bill number 10 of 2023, laid on the table of the Senate on Thursday, 4th December 2025, and that pursuant to Article 1132 of the Constitution and Standing Order 1673 of the Senate approves the mediated version of the bill. Honorable Speaker, I want to appreciate the members of the Agriculture Committee of the Senate that I led up to late yesterday on the tedious and commitment they showed to ensure that this bill goes through, Honorable Speaker. I want to appreciate members of the National Assembly, led by their chair, for burning the midnight oil to ensure that we come to a consensus on this bill, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this bill had various contentious issues that made us go back to the drawing boards, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, we had an issue of DSS, direct sales, Honorable Speaker, where the matter was in court, Honorable Speaker, and the court directed that the matter be shelved up to next year, where national government will do proper public participation to ensure that the farmers and the estate owners are given an opportunity to contribute and allow the government to use any bank to channel funds to farmers. Honorable Speaker, another element that is in this bill is the Research Institute, Honorable Speaker. The threshold for the management of the institute has been raised, Honorable Speaker, because the country is setting the pace in the research of coffee in this country. And if Kenya has to cut an edge above our competitors in East Africa and the world, it means that the management and the CEO of the institute must be qualified enough with experience to steer this institute, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the board as well of the Coffee Institute, Honorable Speaker, is equally mandated to oversee the management of the institute, and therefore we have various research centers across the country. This bill, given life by the approval of the President, will ensure that the farmers of this country get affordable seed, quality seed, extension services, and the county governments are able to do their bit to ensure that the coffee of this country is the best.